Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to reduce joint pain and improve symptoms of conditions like arthritis. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, it's recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper and a source of fat. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-relieving properties. It may help reduce inflammation in the joints and alleviate pain. While cinnamon is not as strongly associated with joint pain relief as ginger and turmeric, it has been traditionally used for its potential anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can still be beneficial for overall health and well-being. Ingredients: ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper. Drink 1 glass before bed.